Welcome back to the Daily Avocado, the place where ancient wisdom and modern science meet to help you unlock your healthiest, most optimized self. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly deep dives into natural health, wellness, and high-performance living. Now, let's talk about something that everyone does, but few people truly understand: sleep. You've probably heard stories about people like Tony Robbins who sleep only 4 hours a night and claim it's the secret to their success. But here's the shocking truth the sleep industry doesn't want you to ignore. That approach is actually wrecking your health from the inside out. Tonight, I'm going to show you 8 scientifically proven sleep hacks that can literally reprogram your body while you rest. These aren't your standard count sheep and turn off your phone tips. We're talking about techniques that can boost your metabolism, strengthen your immune system, and even help you burn fat while you sleep. And trust me, hack number 7 is going to surprise you because it involves something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now. Sleep isn't just downtime for your body. It's your nightly repair shop, where some of the most miraculous processes happen. During deep sleep, your brain literally washes itself, flushing out toxins that build up during the day. Your muscles rebuild. Your hormones rebalance. Your immune system gets supercharged. The truth is, the quality of your sleep determines whether you wake up feeling like a superhero or like you got hit by a truck. Let's start with hack number 1, the temperature manipulation method. Your body temperature naturally drops as you prepare to sleep, and you can hack this process to your advantage. Set your bedroom to exactly 65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not random. Research shows that this is the ideal temperature to trigger your body's natural cooling response, which signals the release of melatonin and growth hormone. But here's the secret move. Take a hot shower or bath about 90 minutes before bed. When your body cools down afterward, that rapid temperature shift tells your brain it's time to sleep deeply. Think of it as hitting the turbo button on your body's sleep engine. Hack number 2 is all about light, and this one can completely change how your body produces sleep hormones. Everyone knows blue light from screens is bad for sleep, but the real secret is in mimicking nature's sunset. About 2 hours before bed, dim your lights and switch to warm amber tones. This tells your brain that nighttime is coming, which naturally boosts melatonin production. For an even deeper effect, use a red light therapy device for 10 minutes before sleep. Red light promotes cellular repair without interfering with melatonin. Elite athletes and recovery experts use it to speed up muscle healing and improve sleep quality, and you can do the same right at home. Now for hack number 3, strategic breathing manipulation. Most people breathe shallowly, especially when stressed or trying to fall asleep. This keeps your nervous system stuck in alert mode. To fix that, try the 4-7-8 technique with a twist. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, and exhale slowly for 8 counts through your mouth. But as you exhale, visualize stress leaving your body as dark smoke while golden light fills you with calm energy. This combination of controlled breathing and visualization activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for rest and repair. Within minutes, your body and mind will start to relax deeply. Hack number 4 might sound strange, but it works. Wear socks to bed. When your feet are warm, blood vessels in your skin expand, which helps release heat from your body's core. That cooling effect tells your brain it's time to sleep. But not just any socks will do. Choose soft, breathable, moisture-wicking socks made from natural fibers. Your feet contain thousands of nerve endings that communicate directly with your brain about temperature regulation, and this small adjustment can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Hack number 5 is all about timing your last meal. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. This isn't just about digestion, it's about hormones. Late-night eating spikes insulin levels, which suppresses growth hormone, your body's key repair and fat-burning hormone. When you avoid eating too close to bedtime, your body can shift energy toward regeneration and recovery. But if you need a small snack, go for tart cherry juice or a handful of almonds. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, and almonds are rich in magnesium, both of which promote deeper, higher quality sleep. Now we move to hack number 6, and this one transforms your entire sleeping environment. Create what sleep scientists call a cave setting. Darkness and silence are your best friends. Use blackout curtains, cover every tiny LED light, and even put blackout tape over electronics. The darker your room, the better your melatonin production. But don't stop there. Add sound masking with brown noise or pink noise, not white noise. These lower frequency sounds match your brain's natural rhythms during deep sleep. They help stabilize your sleep cycles and prevent micro-awakenings caused by small noises you don't consciously notice. The result? You stay in restorative sleep longer and wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. Hack number 7 might be the most underrated sleep secret of all: magnesium optimization. Magnesium plays a role in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and many of those processes happen during sleep. Unfortunately, most people are deficient without realizing it. The best form to use is magnesium glycinate, taken about 1 hour before bed. Aim for 200 to 400 milligrams, depending on your size and tolerance. But here's the next level trick. Combine that with a topical magnesium oil spray on the bottoms of your feet. Your skin absorbs magnesium faster than your digestive system, giving your body a powerful double dose. This combination calms your nervous system, lowers nighttime cortisol, and helps you slip into deeper, more restorative sleep phases. And finally, hack number 8, sleep position optimization. Most people don't realize how much their sleep position affects brain detox, digestion, and hormone balance. The best position for most people is sleeping on your left side with a pillow between your knees. This supports spinal alignment, improves circulation, and enhances lymphatic drainage, which helps your body remove waste while you sleep. For an advanced boost, place a small pillow under your ankles to slightly elevate your feet. This promotes venous return, reduces inflammation, and supports detoxification processes that happen overnight. When you combine these 8 sleep hacks, something amazing happens. Your body enters deep sleep faster, stays there longer, and performs its nightly repair routines more efficiently. You'll wake up with more energy, sharper focus, and better mood stability. Your metabolism will run smoother, your immune system will become more resilient, and even your skin will look healthier thanks to improved cellular recovery. The best part? You don't have to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Start with 2 or 3 of these techniques and give your body time to adjust. Within just a few days, you'll likely notice better energy, fewer cravings, and a calmer mind in the morning. Over time, your body will rewire its internal rhythms for maximum restoration and longevity. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury. It's your body's most powerful form of healing. When you master it, every other area of your health, from metabolism to mindset, starts to thrive. So, which of these 8 hacks surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs better sleep. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Avocado for more science-backed health optimization strategies that actually work. Until next time, sleep deeply, live fully, and keep nourishing your mind and body the natural way.